talk about two things. First thing, I'll be talking about trading, the new trading strategy that you need to maximize profit on Bybit. Okay, so only this strategy you can use only Bybit accounts. Bybit has not paid me for any promotion, but this strategy only works on Bybit. So you have to make sure that you watch this live till the end so that you will be able to get the insight on how you can be able to use this particular money, this particular trading strategy. Then secondly, I want to talk about Pi Network. What is fueling the current price of Pi Network in the market? If we check the current price of Pi Network is around 3 USDT, right? From 0.6 USDT. So thank you. You're welcome. Dubis, you're welcome. Good day. Good day. So stay tuned and make sure you listen to two things I'm going to mention in this video because it's very, very important. In today's live also, let's start with this topic about trading. First thing you need to know about trading is that the more you're learning or the more you're getting into trading, or let me say the more you're doing it, the more you're learning from it. So in case you don't know, many people just think that once you start trading, or maybe you just learn study one course like that and you just come in and you start making money from trading. But that's not how trading works, right? One thing you need to know about trading is that you have to follow all the factors, right? The key factors you need to learn before you become a profitable trader. And there's only three things I know in crypto trading. Only three things. First is to learn, right? Second is to practice. Third is to make profit. So only these three things can be able to make you a profitable trader. So in trading, if you can only learn without practicing, there's no way you become a professional trader. Then secondly, if you only practice but you never go into the market with real money, there's no way you become a profitable trader. So first thing you have to do is to learn. After learning, you practice. After practicing, then you start making profit. Okay, let me give you this time now. For you to become a profitable crypto trader, for the Learning Academy, you can maybe spend 1 to 2 years or 3 years, right? Sure, you can be able to learn. Maybe you just give 1 to 2 years, 3 years, or sorry, I mean 3 months, right? Not years. Let's put it months, 3 months, 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, right? You can learn in the academy. And then to practice can take you maybe 1 year or 2 years for practicing your strategy, right? So you have to make sure that your strategy, you have mastered your strategy in trading, then you can be able to use that strategy and make profit. Without you mastering a strategy, you know, in crypto trading, we have different type of strategy that you can use to make profit. But the only one thing you need to know is that not every strategy that works for you, right? Not every strategy that works for you. You have to make sure that you master your strategy and then you can be able to use that particular strategy to make profit in the market. So let me give you an example now. Hold on, let me give you an example. So imagine now, you know, from January to December, you know a particular month that maybe rice used to go up, right? So if rice used to go up in the month of maybe November or October, so you have to buy rice from maybe when the market is down, maybe January, February or March, right? Then you can be able to sell when December time or October time reach to make profit, right? For anybody who knows how the market go will not panic. But imagine if you bought rice from January, February, March, and maybe we reach April and you find out that the price of the market, the price of the rice is going down below your expectation, right? So what are you going to do? For those that know that that particular asset will rise in the future, maybe October, you have to save that asset, right, to make profit in the future. That's one thing about it. But for those that doesn't know how it works, maybe you just get into the market after getting some asset and you see that you're losing, you quit. One thing that always makes beginners to lose money in crypto is emotional decision, right? I, Crypto Guru, am not 100% professional in trading, but trust me, I can give you some strategies that you use to maximize profit, right? So you have to be following my class step by step so that you can also learn crypto trading together with me. Right now, I'm not perfect. And also, in every trading, maybe Forex or crypto, nobody is 100% right always. No one can give you 100% accurate signal. But at least the only thing that makes you to become a professional trader is making more profit than your losses. I hope you understand. So if you can be able to make more profit than your losses, that is what makes you a professional trader. So now, look, if you don't know where to start trading, the first thing you need to do is to enter the trading class first. So if you cannot be able to afford course, then you start with watching YouTube videos, right? Watch YouTube videos. After watching YouTube videos, from there you can graduate. Maybe if you have money, you can be able to buy a crypto course. But if you also want to learn with me, then you stay with me. Right now, I'm just starting my class with I'm just starting with theory, right? So we'll enter practical very soon. If you know you are in this life, please kindly share this life to other people so that they can also learn from it. And after this part, we'll be talking about Pi Network, right? So right now, I'm just talking about trading. I want to give you the full insight on how you can be able to maximize profit on Bybit. And this strategy that I want to give, I only want to give this strategy to few people that will join this my live, right? Because I'll be giving a code where you just DM me, and if you join my class, I'll be able to give this code to you on how you can be able to maximize your profits on Bybit. So this strategy on Bybit, not everyone knows how to use it. But if you can be able to manage this strategy on Bybit, trust me, you're going to make a lot of money from trading, which is just a simple analysis, right? This analysis, you don't need to stress yourself. The only thing you need is time for the analysis, technical analysis, right? And the world market is going to indicate for you that this market is the right time for you to enter or to take a trade. So on Bybit, you can be able to ask questions, right? In anything that you don't know, you can be able to ask questions. So, but not everybody knows where to get this particular boat that you use. But in our tutorial, I'll give all the full insight on how you can be able to use that strategy, right? So if you know that you are in this life, take this number, jot it down, right? Or maybe you chat me on WhatsApp so that I will know that you came to this live. And then you ask me about this boat. I'll be sharing it with each and everyone that is in this live today. So 07025338620. This number, put it down so that when I go out of this live, or let me say after this live, if I go offline, message me on WhatsApp and ask me, Crypto Guru, about the Bybit strategy I want to give you guys. So use this number 07025338620. So after this live, I want to give this code to few people so that they can be able also to only serious students who always want to learn trading, right? So make sure that you stick with me till the end of this live, because I'll be discussing a lot about Pi Network and also about trading. So this strategy is going to make you a lot of money in trading if you have good capital. Then let's talk about Pi Network a little bit before we switch back to this trading stuff, right? So Pi Network right now is going up higher. So What do you guys think that is happening right now after the meeting with World Financial Markets? That is the reason why the Pi network is going up, and very soon we're expecting that they are going to list Pi on Binance. So imagine if they list Pi on Binance, so the price have to skyrocket more than this, because the more investors you get in a particular project, the higher the price, and the higher the demand, the higher the price, right? So that is this. The total supply of Pi is around 100 billion coins, but the circulating supply is around 6 to 8 billion Pi coins. So right now, if high, and we're expecting that very soon today. In the last 24 hours, the price of Pi has increased to 50, or let me say 100x, right? So the listing of the day they listed Pi network went down to 0.6, right? 0.6, and later Pi came up to around 2.9 USDT, which we are expecting that Pi network is going to do something bigger than today, right? So if you know that you're yet to get Pi network, just go and get some Pi coin to wait for the next listing of Pi on different exchanges. If you check right now, you know that Pi is yet to list on Bybit, Binance. So these two exchanges are the heaviest crypto exchanges we know, apart of OKX or BitGet, right? So let's see what is going to happen. We're expecting that Binance will complete their KYB, which is Know Your Business, very soon. After the verification of Know Your Business, which is simply called KYB, we're expecting that the price of Pi is going to skyrocket, maybe from 3 USDT or 2 USDT, maybe to 5. But don't expect that Pi is going to reach the GCV price very soon. It might take us like maybe 2, 3, 4, 10 years, or even more than that, before Pi will reach maybe that price. If you check how many years Bitcoin took before reaching this amount, the current price around 100,000 USDT. It's not 1 year, it's not 2 years, not 3 years. So don't expect that Pi will just come and overcome Bitcoin. It's not possible. So Pi also have to spend time and gather investors, or let me say gain popularity. Then the price will skyrocket. The more people are getting into crypto, the higher the price of crypto coins like Pi, or let me say precious coin, because not every crypto in the market that will go up. If we check right now, the price of crypto Pi coin is around 3 USDT, right? And if you check the popularity of people that are mining that's mine Pi is around 33 million, and only people that are verified in the KYC, they are around 12 million, and people that have been migrated, I think, is around 8 million, right? So we're expecting that the price of Pi, the more people are getting into crypto, the more Pi price will go up, because Pi have high different utilities. So we are expecting that very soon Pi will go up. So if you are in this life, make sure you share to your friends and family. And if you have already shared, may God bless you, right? So I am your host, Crypto Guru, and always I'll be coming here to give you guys strategy about crypto signals one by one. So if you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. Drop your question in the comment section, then I will be able to answer. There's only one person that I know that is sticking to this life, and I really appreciate that. If you know you are watching me right now, I really appreciate that. So make sure you drop any question you have in the description or in the comment section, I mean, then I can be able to get back to you immediately. Do this. So if you're just coming in, make sure you like my video, comment, and share to your family and friends, right? So I just want to stay here today and answer different questions. If you're just coming, drop a comment. If you don't know how to drop comment, at least like this live, right? Like the live so that YouTube also recommend this live to different people so that they can also join. Then we discuss more about blockchain. there's some simple words that we need to know about blockchain technology, but because we are neglecting the fact that it's only mining, many people are focusing on just to make money without learning a lot. So make sure that you are not one of those people that only want to make money from mining, but you are eager to learn about blockchain and also about trading as well. Let me make some settings, right? So guys, if you have any question, drop it, so I'll answer it, right? So me, I just day here today. I just want to day here. I want to day for this live, like maybe 1 hour. Let's talk about blockchain. Let's talk how this crypto is going to benefit us. One thing you don't know about mining is that not every time the mining you're doing is going to pay. There's some mining that you just get in and you waste your precious time without any dime from it, without any dime from it. So this mining, I think we're tired of mining, especially someone like me. My question is, how will I study technical analysis? All right, so let me explain how you can be able to study technical analysis. In trading, this is what I was waiting for, since I was waiting for this question to pop up, or any question about analysis. I mean, fear and greed index. Okay, understand this. How can you study technical analysis? In crypto trading, if you are a trader, if you are a scalping trader, then you have to learn technical analysis properly, right? For people that are doing maybe day trading, you will learn two things, right? Fundamental and technical analysis. So for you to become a professional trader, you have to know how to do technical analysis. So for you reading technical analysis, you have to know this technical indicators, right? So by you having these indicators, you can be able to use them to trade very well. We have Bollinger Band, we have RSI. So Bollinger Band, RSI, and then we have MACD indicator. So MACD indicator is that's the simple meaning of MACD. The full meaning of MACD is moving average convergence divergence. Then also we have EMA. The EMA simply means exponential moving average indicator. Then we have RSI. RSI is simply called relative strength index. So that is the full meaning of RSI, relative strength index. So if you want to use RSI, there's a way you set RSI. So when you set RSI, it will indicate whether the market is overbought or oversold. So if you understand this pattern of trading, you can be able to make a lot of profit. Let's imagine that the market is oversold. When the market is oversold, that is the right time for you to invest your money, so that when the market go up and your RSI is indicating that the market is overbought, then you can be able to sell your coin immediately and make profit. So if your market is on the market is on downtrend, and you enter the market, maybe you buy, or maybe let me say you used spot trading, you buy and keep. When the market is to upward trading, then you can be able to sell and make profit. But RSI will help you to indicate that the market is on downtrend or upward trend. So if your RSI is around 35, then you know that the market is already on downward trend. If your RSI is around 29, you know that your market is downward trend, right? Then if your RSI is around 70 or above, then you know that the market is already overbought. the market is overbought already. So you are not going to enter market at that moment, because if market is overbought, we are expecting a price correction. If market is around 70, your RSI, relative strength index, is maybe 70 to 100, then you know that the market is overbought already. If your RSI is indicating around 50, then you know that it's negative, right? To enter market at that time, maybe it's just a risk. You lose your money. So you have to wait for the market to indicate whether your RSI to indicate whether the market is on downward trend or upward trend. That is what you need to do. So you have to make sure that you use your RSI properly for you to be able to maximize profit, whether in futures trading or in sports trading. If you want to do forex, also you have to use all these indicators, right? Then you are talking about Bollinger Band. The Bollinger Band is the band that will help you to identify if a particular price action is on downward trend or maybe a upward trend, right? So you have to use your Bollinger Band to identify when the market is about changing direction from one to another. So let's just say maybe the market is an upward trend. So if you're using Bollinger Band indicator, when the market is about switching, the Bollinger Band indicator will indicate that the market is about changing direction from upward trend to downward trend. So the Bollinger Band will be, let me just give you an example like this. So if you see the Bollinger Band, maybe the market is going up and the Bollinger Band is opening like this, then you know that this is high volatile coin and the market is about going higher, right? So it's moving up. But if the Bollinger Band is coming close like this, then you know that it's not the right time to enter market. Let's just say the market is about going to downward trend, and maybe the Bollinger Band open like this, right? It's showing that there's a high probability that the market is going to downward trend immediately. So at that moment, you can be able to predict that the market is changing direction from upward trend to downward trend, or from downward trend to upward trend. So that is how you can be able to identify by using Bollinger Band. MACD are all the same. So these indicators, by using these indicators, you will be able to know when the price is going up or down, and you identify when the price is maybe changing direction from one place to another. So that is good thing about using indicators, right? So technical analysis is compared with indicators. Without indicators, there will not be technical analysis. So with the indicators, it will help you to maximize your profit in the market. There's a lot of indicators that you can use, but these indicators that I'm giving to you right now, if you are listening to me very well, know that after this live, we'll be doing practical, and in that practical, that is where you will learn a lot. Right? I'm not good at explanation sometimes in like this, something like this. So, but if I'm showing you maybe example on how you can be able to do it, then you will be able to know more than this, right? I mean, fear and greed. Okay, you're talking about fear and greed. So, fear and greed, what in the mean with fear and greed in the market? This is one thing you need to avoid as a crypto trader. If you see the market is jumping up, don't just jump in because you are seeing the market is going up. No, without doing any proper analysis, without using proper indicators. So maybe you're seeing the market is jumping up and you just want to fall in and make profit. Maybe that time that you want to enter the market, that is the time many people are cashing out from the market. And you know, the more people are selling in the market, the more the price of that asset is reducing, right? So maybe you just jump in. Let me say you jump in with 100 USDT, and maybe in that market, many people sell their own immediately. Maybe they sell like 10,000 USDT, right? 10,000 coins, and withdraw 10,000 USDT to their wallet. So that price will go down, and you will lose. That's fear and greed, right? So maybe you're just seeing a coin is going down. Maybe let's say you want to trade short. You want to short in the market, in the futures market, right? You want to short your trade. So for shorting, imagine that the market you're seeing it is going down. Boom, boom, boom. You don't know, without indicators, you won't be able to know when the investors are getting into the market, right? Without any proper analysis, you won't be able to know when the investors are getting into the market, right? So imagine that the market is going down and you just jump in and short the market on futures trading. Imagine if the market reacts, maybe the price reacts, then you lose all your money. And another thing is by using leverage. As a beginner, it's not advisable for you to use high leverage in the market. So you use between 1 to 10 leverage. 1 to 10 leverage is okay. Imagine you putting let me explain the meaning of leverage if you don't know what leverage mean in crypto. So leverage is just like they are borrowing you money, or you're adding money more than what you have to trade with. And if you are losing 1 USDT, if you put times 10 leverage, they are withdrawing 2 USDT. So that's it. And if you are losing, let me say you have only 100 USDT, and maybe you put let me say 20 leverage, right? So if you are losing or 0.5 USDT, they are removing 2. If you are using if you are losing maybe 2 USDT, they are removing 4. That's one thing about leverage. So it's just like you're borrowing money from the financial market to add to the one you have and trade with. That is the meaning of leverage, right? So that's it. And using high leverage, you know that some people some coins can give you high leverage, and maybe that coin is very high volatile, and if you just get into the market, you start losing a lot of money, which is very, very bad. So you have to understand that if you're a beginner in trading, just like me, you have to use less leverage. From maybe 1 to 10x is okay for you. Maybe let me say 1 to 5 is okay for you. So if you're going to make profit, don't expect huge profit. Just make a little in the market, right? So that if you want to lose in the market, you also lose small. The higher the risk, the higher the profit. If you risk $100, you're going to make maybe if the market go your way, you're going to make more profit. And if you risk maybe $50, if the market go against you, you are not going to lose a lot, right? So that's one thing about using leverage. And fear, if you are talking about fear and greed, right? So that's it. Then also let's talk about setting order, right? So whenever you set order in the market, the order will execute when that price of a coin reach your target. The order will execute immediately, right? And there's some certain time you have to set. If that order wasn't be able to execute, then your own order will quit automatically, right? So there's a way of you setting all those things, and I would like to show you guys in a video, live video, right? Because I don't think I can explain properly without practical, right? So we're going to put all this in practical, and I'll be making video on how to do it. I'm just trying to explain some parts you need to learn in trading, right? So I'm just trying my best to make sure that I give you the good explanation about fear and greed. Fear and greed is when you see that the market maybe is jumping up and you just jump in without doing any analysis. You don't know what is fueling the current market price, and you just jump in because the market is going up. You think that the market will just continue going up forever. You're going to lose a lot of money. Imagine that maybe you see in the market that the market is going down and you want to short trade for futures trading, and you thought that the market, maybe there's any price reaction, and you know that if the market change from downward trend to upward trend, you're going to lose a lot of money. So you have to be careful and also be sensitive about your analysis. make sure one thing I know about trading is that the more you're making mistake, the more you're losing money. Nobody is going to carry cane and flog you. You're going to flog yourself, right? If you make any one mistake in trading, you have to pay for it no matter what. That's one thing I know about trading. If you make any one mistake like this, you have to pay for it, if you like it or not. If your body not paying you the money, go yara. So that's it. So you have to be careful while trading. And my advice to each and everyone that wants to learn how to trade, or maybe you are a beginner and you want to maybe you're just getting in, the first thing you need to do is to only know how to manage risk. Don't just carry all your money and put into trading. Maybe you carry house rent, you just put into trading. That's bad. If you carry house rent and you put into trading, my brother, you're going to lose money. You don't have 100% sure that you're going to make that money back. And don't trade also like a gambler. It's very, very bad for you to trade like a gambler. So you have to be a professional trader to make a reasonable amount of money. So if you are just learning, make sure that your expectation will be at least lower than our professional traders as well. Please, what is the difference between margin and futures trading? Margin is different with futures trading, right? You know, in futures trading, there's something they called like I just explained recently called leverage, right? In margin, if you lose money in margin, let me say if you borrow money in margin and you lose that money, right? You have to pay back. They are not going to deduct the money while you are trading. They are going to deduct the money when you are in the market, right? Even though you close that market, they are still going to deduct it. You are already owing them. So that's different between margin and futures trading. If you have any question, please kindly drop it in the comment section so that I will answer you immediately. If you have any question, just drop it in the comment section, then I'll be able to answer your question. I'm here for each and everyone that have any question about trading. So I'll answer you according to what I know, and maybe you can do your own research. That's what we always say in the trading market. You have to do your own research. After me giving you some knowledge, I cannot give you the full details on trading, but the few I can give you, you can be able to go to the market maybe and do your own analysis, right? And also do your own research, because I'm also a human and I'm still learning. I cannot say that I'm 100% sure in all things I say, right? So as I'm learning, going up, you're also learning, right? So that's how trading market works. There's nobody who will tell you that is a professional trader for 100%. Even professional trader lose a lot of money in trading. But the only thing that makes you to become a professional trader, or maybe they call you crypto guru, is because you are making more profits than your losses. So it's better for you to decide what to do. So if you also have any question, ask it. Drop your question in the comment section. And do this, if your question is not clear, please drop it in the comment section, right? I hope I'm clear with your question. I hope you have understood the full meaning of margin trading, the difference between margin trading and futures trading. If you don't know that trading is different, we have forex trading, we have crypto trading. The only difference we have in these two trading is just little, right? It's just small, but we have many things in common. So if you have another question, you can drop your question in the description, in the comment section, then I can be able to answer your question. I am just here to make sure that I answer each and every one. Maybe if you don't know how to drop a comment, I know there's a lot of people that want to drop a comment but doesn't know how to answer, how to tap on the comment section. Then you go to YouTube, go to the YouTube search bar, search for how can I comment on a YouTube video. Then they will be able to show you on how you can be able to follow on YouTube live video. and drop your comments or your question. In case you are not be able to ask me any question right here, you can go to my WhatsApp and then drop your question there. And trust me, if I'm free, I will answer your question immediately. I'll get back to you. I have no job than to educate more people right now. So make sure that you're staying active. Yes. Tell me in the comment section how many PiCoin you have, how many PiCoin you have bought so far, how many PiCoin you have mined so far. Let me know in the comment section how many PiCoin you have mined so far, or how many PiCoin you have been able to buy from our people. If you bought a lot, maybe you can use some and do giveaway for me as well. So you can support this account by sending your super thanks to my account. You know, in super thanks, my account is already monetized for that one, but I'm yet to hit the full monetization program. But very soon we're expecting that. So make sure that you always share our videos and make sure that you subscribe. If you can sponsor us, come out and sponsor our channel so that we will be bigger than this, right? So that's it. I'm not here to play. I'm here for serious content creation. So let's make things go up. Do this. Man, I'm really exhausted, and I want to make sure that at least let me complete 1 hour live session today. 1 hour. 1 hour like a movie. I want to stay here like 1 hour. I want to make sure I discuss with my follower. At least if you come up, you can be able to watch this video. But the problem is that maybe if I continue like this, if some people come and see it, they will not watch it. Or maybe I'll just end it at 7 so that many people will just come later maybe and watch. How do you think, guys? Please share my video always. Whenever you watch my video, make sure you share so that this channel will be able to reach more audience, and YouTube will recommend this channel to more people. You know, the YouTube algorithm is different with other social media. The way YouTube algorithm works is different. The more you're liking the video or maybe live, the more YouTube will recommend it to different people. It doesn't matter how your content look like, but the credit they give to your comment would determine how your content will go viral. So that's it. It's not about are you making your videos clear or this and that. No, that's not the point. The point is that you have to make sure that people, your audience, are liking your content. So that is it. I'm glad with today's lecture. Thank you. I really appreciate that comment. You know, at least I am happy to make somebody smile or learn from me today. So guys, if you know that you want to learn trading, just join my class on WhatsApp. Sometimes I drop voice note, right? I drop voice note about trading, and there's a lot you will learn from trading. Maybe tomorrow I'll be talking about the difference between mining and trading, and also I'll be talking about why is it that there's some coin that you must mine them, and why is it that there's some coin that they'll just announce the listing date and they'll list the coin. How are they be able to validate a data, right? You know that there's a difference between POS in crypto and also POW. So the full meaning of POW is proof of work. So proof of work in crypto is like, if you're talking about proof of work, any coin that has been mined is called is from under proof of work, right? So like Bitcoin now is proof of work, and there's also some cryptocurrency coin that they just list. They have already done their background work before they just announce the listing. That's a proof of stake, right? So there's a difference, and tomorrow I'll be explaining that in tomorrow live. So make sure you stay tuned. At least we can discuss more. Who is this one that is just coming and going and going? Just make sure you drop comments. Only one person that have been dropping a lot of comments, man. It's just bad. But anyways, tomorrow I'll see you guys in tomorrow's live. So make sure you stay tuned, turn the notification button, because tomorrow I'm going to drop a lot of content, educative content about crypto trading and mining and the difference. Bye guys. Have a nice night. See you all tomorrow.